Yeah, hi guys, good evening. This is Kashyap. So basically, when you ask something, so just reply with yes. Okay, nothing to worry here. Yeah, guys. So I just want to know that anyone have that Eclipse ID installed in his system. Just reply with yes. Only one have installed. Okay. Okay, guys. So I'm just doing one thing. I'm just sharing a link in chat box and just take your 5 minutes and try to install that Eclipse ID. I will guide you that how to install Eclipse ID. Yeah, Mehul, let me know that I'm audible clearly or not.
You are audible, yeah, Kashyap.
Okay, okay, yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
You can share the link in the chat box with everyone,
Yeah, yeah.
so that people.
I'm just doing that.
Yeah. Great, guys. So those who are having Eclipse, that's well and good. Those who are not having, we are sharing the link, and we will also share our screen and show you how to do things step by step, so that you can follow that. All right. Let's wait for Kashyap to share the link in the chat.
Yeah, guys, I have already shared my link, Java link, Eclipse ID link in chat box. Just to check it.
I think Kashyap, you have not shared with everyone. You have shared with the specific person. So can you please click on
Okay,
the
okay,
drop
yeah,
down and select everyone in the meeting?
yeah, yeah, sure. I've done it.
Yeah, there we
Yeah,
go. Awesome. We all received that, Kashyap. Thank you. And can you share your screen and help us out with the steps?
yes, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Mehul, my screen is visible.
Correct.
Okay, yeah, guys. So just directly click on the link. So this windows will be open. Now directly click on the download button. Okay. When you just directly click on the download button, then in your left side, the file will be starting downloaded like this. Okay. It will take few minutes.
So how about you guys type in the chat box yes if you are able to download and it is downloading. If downloading, then put yes. If not downloading, then put no.
Yeah.
Awesome, Arunag. Great, Yashita, Deepak, Pankaj. Okay, Suhash, Sweta, Divya. Already done. Great, Amit. Downloading. Great, great. Awesome. So let's wait for 1 minute, and once it is downloaded, let us know. So it's what 5:25. By 5:26, I think it should get downloaded, and then we can proceed. I already have Eclipse in my laptop. Great, Prashant. I
Yeah.
do
Good
already
evening.
downloaded. Awesome, Jay. Okay, Akshat. You already have VS Code. Okay. Please reply me. What's your question, Pooja? Can you repeat the question, please? Great, Bhageshri. Can I use VS Code? Kashyap, can people use VS Code instead of this?
Yeah, you can use VS Code, but I can if you can go with me, then it is good, preferable. So you can use
Correct.
Eclipse ID. Sorry, VS Code.
Yeah, it's up to you, Pooja. If you basically want to use VS Code, but it would we would suggest you to go with Eclipse so that it's kind of going with the flow and not stuck in between, but completely your choice.
Yeah, because in Eclipse ID we can easily go through the error, but in VS Code it is somewhat difficult. Okay, that's why we are using Eclipse ID.
Will we get any certificate? Yes. Yes, Biswajit, everyone will receive the certificate provided they are into the session from start till end. If it is on and off, or someone is, joining at the end of the session, then definitely you guys will not be eligible to receive the certificate. But who is into the session completely for 3 hours, they will receive the certificate. For VS Code, do we need to download the extension? Prashant, please use Eclipse as of now. For this today's workshop, please use Eclipse. Okay. Yeah. So I think Kashyap, what we can do is in the meantime, till the time people are downloading and getting it downloaded, how about we start with the theoretical part at least?
Yeah, I'm just going to start with 30. Just wait for a
Awesome.
second.
Sure, Jay. We will do that. If time permits, definitely we'll do that. Or else, about Git and GitHub, we already had a session before. But if needed, we can arrange a session one more. All right, if the request is coming, or else we will take a look at this question at the end of the session. All right, and we can help you out with that if possible. Download it now. Okay.
Yeah, Melu, my screen is visible.
Yes, we are able to see your screen. Workshop by
Okay.
Skill-Lync.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
guys, we will start from theory part. So we need to wait for it download. I think it takes 5 minutes more for all of us. So let's it be downloaded, and we will start from the theory part. So basically, today we are going through the topics that is Java Stream API. Okay. So first we need to know the topic is Java Stream API. So first we need to know that what is API here. So basically we need to know about the what is API. So API is basically application programming interface. Okay. So basically first we go through the definition of API. So API are used to integrate new applications with existing software systems. This increases development speed because each functionality doesn't have to be written from scratch. So if we practically see it, so suppose if we are going to purchase some item from Flipkart, either from Amazon. So we click on particular item. Suppose this is a mixer grinder. We can see it is a little bit small. So just I'm just giving you the practical things. So if you click on that mixer grinder, then what happen if you just click on it, then it will click the data. Okay, and API start working on it. So when you click on that, API goes through the backend. Okay, through this programming languages, whatever it will be Java, either other language. So what it will do, it will go to the database and get the data from the backend. Let's suppose picture of your mixer grinder, and when it get the picture of your mixer grinder, then it will again go back to the coding programming language and again go to the user interface. So basically it is a user interface, and when you will click on that particular mixer grinder, then you will get the image of particular mixer grinder or any items whatever you are going to purchase it. So this is basically how API works. Now if we take other example also, suppose you go to the restaurant and there is a waiter and there is a cook. So when you go to the restaurant, so then waiter come to you. Okay, and waiter will ask that, sir, what you want. So you will just give the request that I want juice. So waiter will take your request and go to the cook, chef, and ask chef that customer want juice. So what that chef do? Chef will make a juice for you and give it to the waiter again, and waiter will serve a juice to you. So basically, you are the front end part here, and chef is the back end part. And what is the API here? We can see that waiter is the API. So this way API was. This is a simple logic way. Nothing to worry here. This is only about what API and how it works. Okay. Now we need to know that what is Stream. Why we are discussing Stream API here. So first we will go through Stream. So Stream is basically a continuous flow of anything like liquid, gas, data, other things. And it is also related to collection framework. Collection framework is nothing. It is just a framework in Java. So it is basically a collection of data, a group of objects also. So these streams are different from IO streams. There are other streams also, which is IO streams. So when you go through file handling part in Java, then there it is mentioned that IO streams. So these streams are basically used to read and write the files and create the files, these basic things. So right now we are not discussing about this stream, IO stream. Here we are discussing about the API streams. Okay. So why only API stream is more important here? Okay. So it is definitely suggested that to perform the bulk operations and the process of object of collections. So performing the bulk operations, we are using here Stream API basically. And its other advantage is it reduces the code length basically by applying a lots of filters. Suppose many of filters are there, and we need to just find the lots of information from the particular data, and our information is also defined by us. So we just get the particular data by using this stream, and no need to use a long length of code here also. So basically today we are going through topics. Some basic things are there. So first we have done the introduction to Stream API. Now operations performed in Stream API we will go through, and filtering. Filtering basically a filtering of data from the particular collections, and mapping is we will do mapping, finding, grouping, numeric streams, collectors, reducing and grouping of particular objects, partitionings, collector interface. All these things we will do today. So basically streams. So stream, what is streams basically? So streams are update version of Java API that lets you manipulate collection of data in a declarative way. So here the words come declarative way. So what is declarative way? So as we can see that declarative way and imperative approach. There are two type of approach basically, imperative approach and declarative approach. Okay. So an imperative approach, it provides the step-by-step instructions on how to arrive at given destinations. Okay. So imperative is depend upon the particular step-by-step process to go through particular data. And what is declarative approach? So declarative approach provides the address of the destinations without concern about how to found. So basically declarative approach depends on that what we need basically, and we directly go towards the our needs. So these models from which declarative programming gets its functions are created through imperative programming. So due to imperative programming, we will go through a declarative programming. Okay. So just take an example, declarative way. Suppose you need to find the query to select the first name of all the employees, those who have age greater than 50. Suppose we are in database. So can you just reply with the yes? Who knows the database here basically? Only basic things. We will not go through database. Just reply with yes. Okay, very good. Yeah, MySQL. Okay, good. Yes. Okay, good. So I'm just giving you the brief basic things about the database. Database is basically a collection of all the data. Suppose you are talking about some school or some colleges. So in a school, there is a collection of lots of students, and all the details of students is collected in particular database. So that is known as basically database. And suppose we need to find the particular student data. So we will use MySQL there to find the particular data of a particular student. Now, suppose we are talking about a particular organizations in particular company. So this question is about the particular organizations. Okay. So if we want to find the age number of employees whose age is greater than 50, actually the question is saying we find first name of all employees whose have age greater than 50. Here we have to find data like this, whose age is greater than 50. So we directly use this query in your SQL part. Select first name from employees where age is greater than 50. So it will directly give you the table like that. So Mickey Mouse first name, last name will be appear, address will be appear, and city will be appear, and the age. See, all the ages greater than 50 is here. Okay, 73, 54, 39, 65. So these are the data, and you will get the particular data that whose age is greater than 50. So 73 you will get, 54 you will get, 39 you will not get because it is less than 50. 65 you will get, 58 you will get, 61 you will get, 32 you will not get because age is less than 50. 28 you will get. So this is basically a question part. So we are not going to run the particular query in SQL parts. Okay. So okay. Now we see that our streams required. Yeah. So suppose we need to filter all the items list who have age greater than 50. Okay. First we need to write the. Okay. So guys, please tell me that you have downloaded the Eclipse ID or not till now. Just tell a yes in chat box. Okay. Okay, it is downloaded. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, Kashyap, everyone has downloaded. Let's start with the further steps on that front.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. First, go to the download option, download folder in your system, and just you can find that Eclipse ID downloaded folder. Okay. Just double click on it, Eclipse ID icon. See, it looks like this. If you double click on it, it will look like this. See, in a download option, I have just double click on this Eclipse ID JDK GRE. Okay. If you can double click on it, it will appear like that. So please just say yes if it is appearing like that. Just two more steps is there. Okay, so when it will appear like this, you can just click on the first option, Eclipse IDE for Java developers. This one. You need to click on this one.
Hey guys, just a quick thing. So those who have joined now, right? So what you have to do is you have to download the Eclipse, right? From the link I'm sharing in the chat box with everyone again, right? So this is the link which you need to use in order to download the Eclipse, right? Once it is downloaded, then the further steps which Kashyap is now showing. So Kashyap, can you please repeat once again what needs to be done after the file has been downloaded?
Yeah, I just share a link in chat box, so please check that. So wait. When you download that file link, so it will appear like this in download folder. Just double click on this folder, and you will get the option like this. Okay. Now you need to click on this Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Now I am going to click on this part and click on install button. See, it is installing.
How many of you are able to follow these steps till now? Whatever we have shown about installing, how many of you are able to do this? Install. Thanks, Deepak. Thanks, Ravita. Thank you, Anurag, Chandan, Panchami. Installed. Thanks, Suraj. Okay, done. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, it will take few seconds more. Okay, let's go to other things. So, how many of you knows array in this Java? Array. Just tell you yes in chat box. Type yes. Okay, good. If you don't know, then no need to worry. I will tell this array in this part only right now. Okay.
Great, Divya. So people are asking that they are aware of arrays, right? Kashyap, just for your visibility, because they answers are coming to me. Guys, as
Okay,
I
okay.
said, if you can drop the answers to Kashyap, he will get the visibility, so it would be nice, right? So that he can understand how many of you are aware and not aware, so that he can take the session accordingly. Okay.
Okay, okay, yeah, sure. So basically, now we will start from array. Just hold a second. Now it is starting. Okay, I'm just opening my Eclipse ID. Now I will make a new project. So this way, guys, you have to make a project in Java, new. Java project, and here we will name it stream.
So Kashyap, what I have a doubt here is you will be showing entire thing once and then repeat the steps, or you want them to do from now only step by step?
Okay, okay, sure.
No, no, no. Choice is yours. I mean, you can choose whatever is good for audience, and also for you to take it forward.
Yeah, yeah, you are right. Okay, okay. Okay, so I will just wait. Let them download it.
So you want folks to start doing this from now only, right? Step by step.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. See, when it gets installed, then you have to click on launch button. Finally, then you just click on launch, and it will look like this, and it will be get installed. The guys, just click on launch button. Click on continue. Hit it. Okay, so I need to change the workspace here. When you just click on it, then there will be option come that you need to create a new Java project after this. So just click on new Java project, because I have already installed my Eclipse ID, so I can't able to see that options. So after clicking on launch, you will get the option that make a new project, like that. So just click on new project, name it Stream API, like this.
How many of you have reached till this step, guys? Yes, if you have reached till this step. No, if you are facing any issues. Yashita is saying no. Okay. What about others? Okay, thanks, Deepak. Reached. Prashant reached. Okay. Panchame reached. Great. Installing. Okay. Awesome. So, 50% of you are saying reached. 50% you are saying not reached. So, I think Pooja is facing some issue. What is the error, Pooja, you are getting? Can you just type in the chat box? Yashita, I think your issue is resolved, right? It says artifact installing is progressing, but it is resolved now, right, Yashita? If you can just confirm. Still installing, still installing. Okay. Might be because of internet connectivity. That's fine. We can wait. Not an issue. My net is slow. No issues, Praharsh. Not yet. Still installing. Okay. Hmm. So in my side network issue, so time. So for time being, I'm using. Sure. Okay, Pooja, no issues. Network issue, no issues, no issues. We will wait for 2 more minutes. I think it will take 2 more minutes. Nothing to worry, right?
Yeah.
But let's make sure that everyone is on the same
Hmm.
page, because for many folks it is like because of network they are facing a bit of issues here.
Okay, no issue.
So guys, once done, please type in the chat box yes, yes. Those who have said it is installed. For those who have, for those it is already installed and have reached this step, please don't type again. Right? We want to understand from others. Those who, for those the file has not yet installed. Thanks, Rajdeep, Sushma. Okay. Thanks, Sanjeev. Thanks, Ankit. Thanks, Yashita. Great.
So guys, we will get directly you will get the option that to create a new Java project. Directly click on this, or either you can go to the file option. Here you can find that go to the file option. Here you can find the new options. Go to the new option and just go to the Java project here. Okay, just directly click on the Java project. So you will get this dialog box. Okay. Just type
Pooja, we are
yes in
not
chat box.
understanding what exactly the issue you are facing. You have to let us know what is the issue you are facing. Um, right. So error has occurred in long file. I mean, what error is coming?
In long file, you are getting error.
Hmm.
Okay.
Anyway, see, now we have to proceed, guys, right? So for those, it is it has not been installed and it is stuck. What you guys do is let it get installed. Okay, once it is installed, then you can continue. But in the meantime, please have notepad and pen with you, right? So that you can make enough notes, right? So that you can refer it once the session is done. And you can practice, right? But we have to proceed now, right? Majority of the folks has install and reach this step. Yeah, hope you guys understand. But let it get installed at the back end, but focus on the session and have notepad and pen. Kashyap, let's proceed, please.
Okay. So when you are going to click on that file, uh, new Java project. Okay. So just name the project name like Java without a space. Don't give space between the name. Okay. Java Stream API. So this name we will give. Okay. Now here see finish option is there. After giving the name Java Stream API, just click on finish option. Okay. See Java Stream API folder is created here. Now double click on it. Now see source file, source folder is there. Okay. So double click on this source folder. Okay. And just right click on this source folder. I'm just going slowly. So right click on it, source folder. Then just click on new and then go to the package. Okay. Then just click on the package. In package also one dialog box appear. And here you will get, need to give the name of the package. So just give the name Stream API. Just give the name API only. Okay. Now click on finish option. See below SRC folder, API package is created. Now we are going to create a class inside the API package. So this is the process of creating a class in Java Eclipse IDE. So right click on, again you need to right click on API package. See, this is the package here. Below SRC there is a package. Right click on this API package. Now new, and now we will create a, go to the new option, and now we will create a class here. Now give the class name stream only. First we are going to do array. So just give a class name array, because I need to tell you something about the array only. Okay, now click on finish option. Okay, you can also just directly click on the public static void main method, so it will directly give you the main method. So just click on the first option, public static void main, and then click on the finish option. Okay, so this is the class we created here. Now here is class array, package API, class array, and this is the main method, and this is the entire body of a class. So first I need to tell you something about the array. So what is array? This is the comment option that we can type anything in our console, and it will give nothing, error. So first we need to know about the array. So array is basically an object in Java, okay, which is similar type of data in continuous memory locations. So basically array is a collection of similar kind of elements in Java. Suppose if we take an example, so if we talk about int, so int 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all these numbers are integer part. All these numbers are integer. So we can see that in integer only numbers are there. So all these can be array. Okay. Now if we take a string, so any name, Raja, Rajesh, Rajiv. So any name, collection of name. So this is basically a collection of name. So it is also a string. So this is known as array. So collection of anything in a same way, similar kind of manner they should have. Suppose 2, 3, 4, 5, it is a collection of number, and they are number, means integer. So this can be a array. So I will just write a program, basic program through array, that what is array, how to write an array. So basically array, we are taking a number. So first we will take a number, so we will give a int a, so here we will giving a number of numbers to the a is basically an object. So what number, how much number we are giving here? Suppose 5. This is the process of writing a number. So it is giving error. See, it is giving error. So there is a lack of that equal to sign. Now we will give the value to a. So a. So value of first number is 0. Guys, first we need to see the numbers. Suppose this is the number in array 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how we count these numbers from the starting? We will count 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the place of a particular number, particular digit. But in array, it starts from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0 is the which number is in 0 place, we can say. So 2 number is in 0 place, we can say it like that. So in 0 place, which number is there? If we can see in 0 place, we can put any number. Suppose here we will take 2, so number will be 2. So same thing we need to do every line. Now we will give a number here 1, 2, 3, 4, and the value would be 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so number chart from 0. In array, I have already said that number chart from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the value of the 0? 2. What is the value of the first place, second place? 3, 2, 4, 3, 5. Like this way, we just make a collection of numbers. Okay. Now we need to give the output of the particular number. So basically, how we give output here? Let's see how to give output. Suppose if I need to give the output of all numbers, so we will apply a for loop here basically. So who doesn't know for loop, just wait, I will tell you what is for loop here. If you're not getting anything, then just wait, I will tell you everything. So let's suppose I need to print all numbers in my console. This is a console. So what we are doing here, see, we are apply a for loop. What for loop will do? For loop is a type of loop which start from 0 to ending, okay, and repeat itself. Suppose we apply for loop in this code, so it will print 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, and here we need to write the number of iteration it will take. So int is the integer here, I is the value which start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. So I is, and we have mentioned there I is greater than 5. Okay, sorry, I should be less than 5. I should be less than 5. Why less than 5? Because total number of elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total number of elements are 5 here. Okay, so we just mentioned we don't want the element less than 5. Okay, and what is the I plus plus here? So I is equal to 0 means I start from 0 means there, and I should be ending where number is less than 5. So number is less than 5 is 4. So I should be end here, and it will give increment. I plus plus means it will give increment every time when this for loop iterates, then it will give an increment to 1. Suppose 0 it will iterate, next time it will iterate, then it will become 1, next time it will iterate, it will become 2, and this further process will go on basically. Now I want to print all these elements in our console. So basically we write system dot out. See here print string is there, so we can actually system dot out dot print ln, and we need to give a parenthesis here. Now what we are going to print here? A. We will going to print here A and just give I. So basically I is going to print here. This is a simple program of array, guys. So now see the green button is here. Here we will click and just see the output what it is giving. So we can just click here, see the output in console what it is coming. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So basically this is the output it is giving. Yeah, ma'am, now it is visible clearly. Yes. So this will be the output of array. Okay. Yeah. So this is the basically thing about the array. Now we will move to the theory part. So basically we got the things that what is array. Yeah, maybe let me know my screen is visible or not. Hello guys, my screen is visible, so please type yes.
Yes.
Yes, okay. Okay, so now we can see that our stream required here. Okay, suppose we need to find the list of the employee whose age is greater than 50. Okay, and we just write the code for creating a stream object. So I'm just explaining that what is basically how basically program work in streams. So we will just write a first program, list employee, list of employees. We create an object of this employee, and list of employees basically a collection of employees. Suppose whatever we have seen in array program. So basically this is a collection of numbers, we can say. Okay, now if we see here list of employees, so it is already a collection of particular employees, which is not mentioned here. I'm just giving you the code basically. So here we can create an object of a list of employees. So new array list employees here. So this is the basic way to write a object of particular things, particular employees, whatever we need to find. Now here we apply a for loop. So for loop basically give the output for the after giving a particular iterations of a loop for particular objects. So here we will apply a for loop here, and just giving a employee emp, then semicolon, and list of employees here. So basically list of employee, what it is giving, this is the list of employees. Okay, and inside that list of employee there is a collection of employees, 100,000 number of employees are there, so it will give the number of employees. So here again we will write a code if employee dot get age. So that dot get age is basically a function in Java. If we write emp employee and dot get age, so it will get all the age which is given in that list of the employee. Okay, so if employee dot get age is greater than 50, so this code is telling that the collection of employees we have find in list of employees, their age is greater than 50, then it will return true. Otherwise it will return false, like that. So if employee age is greater than 50, it will return emp, means it will return the employee list. Otherwise it will not return anything. Okay, it will be void. So this code is saying that. Now if we come to this part, this code is same as previous. Now here we have done the filter of the employees. Now here what we have done, we will sort list of the employee by their age. So what is the meaning of sorting here? Sorting is also a particular kind of function. So we see the code here, collection dot sort. What is the meaning of sort basically? So sort means finding the employees by their name. Okay, we need to compare their name and their spelling in their name, uppercase, lowercase case. So these things we will do here. So collections, we will call a collection. Collection means collection of employees. So it is calling the number of list of employees like this. This is a list of employees. So from this collection, we call a collections here. Now sorting is done. How sorting is done? Where we will apply the particular method that dot sort. If we put a dot sort, then sorting of the employee is done. So sort what we are doing sort here, list of employees. We need to sort the list of employees here. Now new comparator employees. So new comparator is basically a kind of a filter functions which is used to this find the employees. Okay. Now public in compare employee. See, we have seen that too much code is written here. Okay, and we don't have time to write each code and every code for particular thing. Employee get age, employee get age to like this. So we will stuck here. So to resolve all these things, stream API is introduced. Now we can see the stream API is here. This is a simple code. So what we are doing in a stream API basically, so we are just finding the list of employees dot only list of employees. We will get the list of employees. Now we are doing here dot stream. So stream function is apply here. After that we will apply dot filter. So dot filter what do? It will filter the employees according to the requirement. Now for what filtering it will do, we will mention here. So it will mention that employee. Now lambda expression is the sign here. This is the lambda expression. Okay. And after that employee dot get age. This is the method we apply. So employee dot get age where age is greater than 50. So this is the method we have already seen at the previous. So this method is applied here basically. And now after that we will put dot. Again sorted option is there. Sorted filter method. So it will just sorted all the employee by their age. Okay. Now comparing employee get age. This is the other function, system output function, method calling function. So it is applied here and dot collect. So after applying all these functions, it will collect the data and give the output basically. So this is the simple method that streams are applied without applying that all the further codes. These are the all the codes apply line by line. So no need to apply the codes line by line. So we can see here that here decreasing of code length is also applying here. So here code length is also decreased as compared to previous one. Okay, these things are there. So basically we have already seen that understanding of schemes. So sequence of elements, collection like array list, linked list, etc. Source, data providing source such as collections, array, or IO operations, etc. Yeah, we have already done this part. Now we need to know that how the processing of data in Stream API performs. So basically, Stream is introduced in Java JDK 1.8 version. Okay. So suppose we need to perform the operation. Okay, in particular employees. Suppose this is a particular organization. In there, 6 employees are there. Employee 1, employee 2, employee 3, employee 4, employee 5, employee 6. So all these employees, we need to find the data like salary, okay, like their first name, last name. Suppose we are using as perform certain operations. So we are using a certain operations by using a sort method, group method, max, average, filter. So what sort will do? The sort basically we can sort all the details of the employee according to their salary. We can make a group of the employee by according to their salary, according to their last name, like this. We can find the maximum salary of an employee by using a maximum method here. So we can also find the average by using the average salary of an employee by using the average method. Filter is also we have already seen that filter where filter is used. See, filter is already used here. Employee dot get age where age is greater than 50. So filter is already used here. So these things we can use. So there are basically 2 types of streams are there. Java.io stream and Java.util streams. So I have already discussed that what is Java.io stream. So if we have done the programming in Java, so there is a concept that file handling. So in that file handling, Java.io stream is used. Basically, it deals with the file and related to file operations. Suppose we need to create the file, write the file, read the file. So in this way, Java.io is used. But we are not using Java.io here. We are just using a Java.util.stream. Now what Java.util.stream do? So it is basically used to deal with the operation on data. And it depends on that we have data in the form of array or collections. So we need to confirm that there is a collection of data in a particular list. So we can easily perform some common operations on the data by using a stream API. So this way we can do. So but here we can focus on Java.util stream API. Now these are some ways to create a stream object. So how we create a stream objects here. So this is basically theory part. I will go to the stream that Java code basically. Wait. So there are basically 2 ways to create a stream object. First is off method. Okay. So off method, how we create a object of stream. We need to write a stream s1 is equal to stream dot of. So basically, we can directly make a collection of all the elements. Suppose you have a collection of 10 to 20 elements. So we can directly insert the elements here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This way, we can use the of method. But we need to make a collection of all the objects. So stream method is used. Suppose we have large collection of array, means collection of particular employees data. So we can directly use a array array list. So inside the array list, there is a collection of employees data. So here we directly make a object al, array list object al, new al. This is the process of making an object, guys, in Java. And after that, we are calling a method al.add. Okay. And what we are giving passing here? We are passing the parameters. Suppose this number we are passing, any number we can pass here. We are just passing a parameter. And now just calling the stream. So it will just print the stream objects here in our console. Okay, so some methods are there to perform a stream operation on a stream object. So there is basically there are two type of objects and methods. Basically intermediate method and terminal method. So if we talk about the intermediate method, so it will return new stream as output. Okay, and there are certain methods that filter method, map method, float, skip, limit, strings. So about this method we will talk earlier. Now the second method is terminal method. It will return result as an output. And intermediate will return new stream as output. So the methods are in terminal methods count, collect, group. Guys, these are the basic things to move towards the stream. Suppose we are going to make a project in stream part. So these things are necessary. Okay, no need to worry here. So suppose this method we apply here. So how it works? It works through a pipeline method. So whatever code we have seen here, filter, sorted, collected. So all these run through the method of pipeline. So in pipeline, filter occurs, sorted there, and then collected. These are the three main methods through which it works. It is basically a basic concept. Okay. So we have learned about the intermediate operation and termination operation. So these things work here. So filter or sorted. When code is working for a filter and sorted, then it will be an intermediate part. Okay. So and when it is going to collect, suppose we need to collect the particular data of all the employees, then here is a termination operation because it needs to terminate the data here. We need to terminate the code. So basically pipeline concept is used here. So pipeline is a simple pipe where we apply each and every method to filter out our collections. So this is the basic method. Now guys, the most important thing is we need to move towards our project part. Okay. So guys, just tell me that how many of you have able to write the code in Eclipse Java? Just type yes in chat box. So I can move toward the project part because I need everyone to complete that project part. Okay, very good. Okay, so what is our project? This is guys a mini project. Simple project is this. So here we need to sort the employee using Stream API functions. So here we use some functions where we will just sort the employees. Okay, according to their requirement. So by age, by salary, okay, by name. So all these things we will now going to do in this part. So as we have seen earlier, what we have made that API package here earlier. Java Stream API project we have made. Inside Java Stream API project, we have made a API package. Inside package, we create a class array. Okay. Now again, we need to right click on that API package. Go to the new option and create a class. Now here the name of the class is, just put strem stream API. Click here, guys, public static void main, just to call the main methods. And then click on the finish button. Guys, just type yes if you reach here. So I don't need to repeat the things again. Okay. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, one student is asking that what is sort here. So Jacqueline Ahmed. Okay, Jacqueline. So basically, sort. What is sort here? So sort method is basically used to evaluate the functions. Okay, evaluate the two values. Suppose we need to evaluate two values, compare the two values in a particular collection of data. So here, sort option is used. Basically, things are this. You got the things here. This is the basic things. Okay, guys. So just after clicking on main method, just click on finish button. Okay. Now, guys, we are going to start a project. Basically, I told you about the array and give the basic description about the what is stream API, its theory part, how it works, what is the function, what is its methods, all these things I've told you. So basically, everyone got this particular code. Just tell yes in chat box. Okay, good. Yes, again, array it's used for ascending or decreasing purpose, but we are not using array here. We just want the concept of array. That what happen in array part. And we are what we are going to do here. We are using a stream API collections. So I just want to know that what happened in array, and now what we are doing here only. Just want to know this only. Because if I will tell everything about the array, then it will take too much time. Okay. Can't we make using VS Code as an editor? Yeah, you can use VS Code if you are comfortable. Okay, so now we are going to start project from this part. So first we need to make a object of employees. So how we will make? Guys, just type with me in your console, so we can go through parallelly. Okay. List employees. Again, close the bracket, angular bracket. Guys, I am going slowly, so please go through with me. And if error you are getting, then just type in chat box. New AY list. Now we will give angular bracket here. Employees. So guys, we are using this angular bracket here. So what does it mean? So angular bracket is basically used to insert a temporary data. Suppose we need to insert a temporary data, so we are using this angular bracket. Now why it is giving error? See, we need to import the array list here. So just go to the second line after package and just import import java dot util dot array list. Close the semicolon. Okay. Now again it is giving error. So just check whether we have done some mistake or not. I think just give to the parenthesis. Okay. Now we created the object of our employee. Guys, everyone is here. Okay. Just do one thing. Comment this line. Okay. Now come to next line. Just right click on this next line. Go to source. Okay. Now generate getter and setter here. Why we are using getter and setter here? We need to use getter and setter here because when we make a project, then the data we are going to insert is manipulating always. Okay. So for that manipulation, we are using a getter setter, so that can handle that manipulation, whatever we are going to do in further. So just click on getter and setter. Okay, it is giving some error. Just wait. Let's question. Okay. Just why it is giving error? So guys, everyone have reached to this part? Yes, yes. You can pause first. Yes, pin to generate curtain setter here. Of course. Even value. Okay, guys, do one thing. Yeah, good, Sumit. We are going to do this part. Okay, that's why we are getting error here. Let it be this part. So guys, first we need to create a other class. Okay, static class, and for what class we are creating here? Employees, and create a give a body here. Now we are going to create a some objects and give the integer values also. So first we need to create a string. So we are creating a name of the employees. Okay, so just create a private string name. This we have given for name. Now next thing we have to give for let's suppose age. So what is the age? Age will be an integer. Now again, one we can take what we can take salary. So salary should be in double because it is a large number. So guys, everyone have done till here? Just type yes in chat box. Yes, very good. Now we will try to apply a getter and setter here. Source, generate getter and setter. Now here see, right click here, right click to a next line, salary. After click on enter, just right click on next line and go to source. Source is there. Now go to generate getter and setters. Now three names are there that we have mentioned: age, name, salary. Just select all. Okay. And after selecting all, click on generate option. See guys, all we get the getter and setter methods here. Okay. Now here where the cursor is blinking, again right click on the ending part, go to the source and just go to the try to generate a constructor here. Okay, guys, tell me everyone reached till here. Okay. Now we are going to get a constructor here using fields. Just click on generate constructor using fields. Again, we will get a dialog box, guys. So we need to select all the parameters, name, age, salary, and just click on generate option. Generate. See, you will get the name, age, salary here. Now again, right click on the blinking cursor, go to the source and click on generate to string. Just click on generate to string, select all is already there, and then click on generate button. So what we have done here, guys, we just want to return the name, age, salary automatically. And why we have taken only 3 years? Because we will try to get the things only from 3, because if we mention more than this data, so sometime it will give error. So and you are going to start these things basically from the initial time. So just take only 3 also. You can also take other things also, name, first name, last name, like this. So till here everyone had done. Okay, repeat previous step. Okay, just wait for a second. Okay, Pachmani, just see. First we need to create the, just right click on a cursor, then go to the source. Okay, first we need to create the getter and setter. Okay, when you create a getter and setter, again right click on the ending of cursor and click on constructor. Here we need to create a constructor second time. Now when it will be created again, third time you need to right click on the that cursor and go to the to string. These 3 things you have to do. Okay, just tell me you have done or not. Okay, very good. Okay, now guys, we are going to move forward. Import list. So guys, these things you have to import. Import java.util.list, import java.util.stream star. Okay, and also import java.util.arraylist. These 3 things you have to install, import. Sorry. Just go to the import after package. Just write these 3 things. These things are most important. After that, we will go to the next part. So guys, you want a break of 5 minutes? Just type yes in chat box if you have done. Okay. 10 minutes. Okay, guys. Till now, this is 6:40. I'm giving you a break of 6:45 till. Okay. Just take a break of 5 minutes only because very less time is there to cover up with this project. Guys, be there at 6:45. Yeah, name not showing after string. Okay. Can you tell me about the project? Okay. So basically, Sumit, so this project we have already started. Okay. So this project is basically about the how we can get the information about the particular employees from the particular organization. Suppose we need the list of the employee whose age is greater than 50. So how we get that data by using the stream API. So this is the basically project. So we are using the different filters and different method to get the data. So that's what I have said earlier, that we are going to fetch the data from the list. So this is basically about the project, and this is the mostly asked question in the interview part. Okay, so if you tell this question to the interviewer, then absolutely he will get very much impressed by you. Okay, yeah. Yeah, we can get the same thing by SQL also, but SQL is somewhat different, Kundan. SQL is basically a different part, and this stream API is different part. In SQL, we have to write a different query for a particular thing, but in this stream API, there is a main advantage is that in one line we can fetch all the data, whatever we want, and there all the predefined functions are there. So we can use that by clicking on the just point button. We will just put a dot, and we will get all the data, whatever we want to filter. So this is the basic advantage. Yeah, Kundan. So what I have said earlier that this two function. Why we are using here two string function? We are using two string function here because when in future we are going to manipulate all this data. Okay, that's why we are using two string, because I don't want to complete the program by entering this data only. Okay, after 30 minutes I am going to change all the data, so it will manipulate automatically. No need to change the codes here. That's why I have used two strings. Okay, so let's start with the project. I think everyone is there. See guys, so we have created the object for the employees list. So just type this code: list employees, employee list, new array list, employees. So here we will insert the array, some data is here. Now we are going to insert some data about the employees. So just copy employee list from the object. Here employee list dot add. See, add option is there. So add employees. Okay. Then new employees. Give parenthesis. Now insert the value of the employees. Suppose first we need to insert some name. Let's take Arlene Deol. Okay. Now put comma. Put age. What age should be? Let's take 24. Put comma. Now again we need to insert the salary here. So these things we have already mentioned. 50,000 should be a salary. Let's take 50,000. Okay. And give semicolon here. Guys, first time if you have created, just copy this line and copy paste to here next line also. So we can just edit further. Suppose we can take 6 data we have to take here. Now we need to change the name here only. So this way we will do very fast. Now here the different name we will give. Let's take Mitali Raj. Mitali Raj. Let's give the age 30 and salary should be, let's take 90,000. Now give other name. Let's take Smriti Mandana. Let's take a age 25 and give the salary 70,000. Add his other name. Name it. Let's take Priya Sharma or anything. Priya. Let's take age 23 and salary just take 40,000. Guys, I'm doing very slowly. You just go with me. Whatever I'm typing. Just check other name. Tanya Bhatia. Let's give her age is 25 and salary would be 60,000. Guys, just see that this data is matching with you or not, whatever I have mentioned. So basically what we are doing here, we are just adding employee to our list. Adding employee to our list. So for adding employee to our list, we just create this employee object, okay, in list, and just insert the all data here. Okay, so again, I will tell you later, but we need to complete this first. I will tell you about this at the Q&A session at the last. So just collect all your doubts here. We will tell you. So guys, everyone have done this part. Now I'm going to print the list of this element. Okay. So how to print the list, all these things. So just type imp list here. Now here we use a for each function to give the output. When you put a dot, see you will get a for each function here. For each consumer. Just double click on this. Yeah, we will get. Now we will mention here E. Give lambda expression here. After that, put guys, this is the shortcut of writing a system dot or dot println. Okay, just type SYSO and press Control plus space. Okay, yeah. So system dot on dot println. Here we giving the output. What we are giving the output? Employee. CE. E we have taken for employee. Now it is giving error. See why it is giving error? Because it is the proper closing here. So I just copy this code. So guys, just tell me that everyone have done this part or not. So I'm going to run this code. Just type yes in chat box. Okay, very good. Guys, I'm doing very slowly. So I just need everyone to go with this part. Okay, very good. So after doing this part, I think you are not getting any error, right? If you are getting any error, then just tell me. Now after this 28 line, we will give the output employee list for each employee. We have applied the method that each employee, we have applied the lambda expression here, and what it will give is will give the output of employees list, whatever it is there. Now we are going to run this query. See what output it is giving. All data we have mentioned in our console, it is giving like this: employee name Harleen Deol, age 24, salary 50,000, all these things. So how it is giving? We have already mentioned the string name, int age, double salary. We have mentioned these things, and we are getting the output like this. So everyone getting this output, guys? Just type yes in chat box. Okay, very good. Yeah, very good. Yes, very good. Okay. How it is in array? See, we are calling the array list function here. So that's why it is mentioned in array. In later we are going to use that stream part. Okay, in this part only we will use stream. So in this part, I will tell you that how stream work. Okay. So now, guys, keep writing this code in your console, but because in future you will get help for the interview round. So this code will help you too much. Okay. Now what we are going to do here? First thing, we need to sort the list by the name. Sort the list by name. Now let's start. So first we are going to create a list object like that. List employees. Just copy this list employees. Okay, let me write this. List, give angle bracket, put employees. Now what we are doing here? Sort the list by name. So just write sorted by name function. Put equals to here we will write employee list. List. Guys, I will tell you that what is going to here. Just copy the code, whatever I am writing. Call stream here. Just click on stream. Now put dot. Here you will get a sorted function. Just find the sorted function here. Put s. See, sorted function is there. Sorted comparator. So you need to use a comparator here. Just double click on comparator. Now just mention the employees, whatever we are just giving and comparing. Mention E2. Now we need to give the parenthesis here. Now in parenthesis, we need to call E1 dot name. Now this even name will be compared to E2. E2. Again, we need to at the last what we will do. We will collect all the data. So for collecting all the data, just use dot collect. Collectors dot the toolish function is there. See, toolish function is there at the end. Okay, just double click on this toolish function and just put the semicolon here. Okay, now we will check that why it is giving error here. Okay, this should not be there. Why it is giving error? So guys, you are getting error. Just type yes in chat box. Okay, we didn't apply the bracket here. Okay. Then we are in. Guys, copy this if you have got the things here. So what we have done here, we have just sorted the things by the name. Okay, employee list, and we are applying the if stream method. Now from here we started the stream method. Now we need to sort the E1 and E2. What is E1 and E2 here? E1 and E2 are basically our employees. Okay, we are just comparing the two entities. Okay, it is showing that invalid assign operator. Okay, so we just check the code line by line. Check the parentheses properly given or not. Now here we need to print the list. Let's see that what is happening in sorted method. You will check by your own that what happened in sorted method. So first we will type sorted by name. Guys, after this method, just type sorted by name. Put dot. Here again you have to click on for each method. Just double click on for each and give the output. So here guys, we need to give the method reference. Guys, you have done till here. System dot. Now we need to give double parenthesis. Method reference we need to give here. So guys, basically what we are doing here, we are giving a method reference. So what method reference we are giving here? We are giving a method reference of line number 20. See, line number 20 imp list for each system.out.print e. Okay. Okay, sorry, not this one. We need to put other system.out.print method here. Okay, other system.out.print method, guys. Top of this function. Now here we give the output sorted by name because we are sorting everything by their name. Sorted by name is good. Now this output we are referencing in this line number 29. So we are giving a method reference of line number, method reference of line number 22. So guys, this is the line number 22, sort by name, and we are giving a method reference here. Everyone has copied till here? Just tell yes. Error is showing is Bhagyashri. What error you are getting? All the steps are there only. Bhagyashri, just see. Okay, invalid assign operator. Okay, so just check you have written the code properly or not. Line number 24, I think you are getting error. Invalid assign operator. Now, guys, if you have done till here, now we are going to run the code here. Okay, so just check what error it is giving right now. We have run the code and see sorted by name is printed as output. And name is there. Employees hurling. So everything sorted by names means everything is sorted by their increasing order of their name. See Harleen after H, what will become? Mitali. HIJKLM. NOP Priya. QRS. S for Smriti. Sneha. And so all things are just occur in jumbling manner. Okay. See. So this is the basic meaning of sorted method. Okay. So anyone is asking that what is sorted method? So this is the complete practical example of sorted method. Okay. Okay, getting error at collectors. Line number 22. 1224 getting error. It's ascending order only, right? Yeah, it is ascending order only. Guys, who is getting error, just check the code because I think only very much less time is left. Check the code. You have written this correct or not. See, line number 24 is this, and what we are going method difference. So we are giving a method difference of line number 22 here. So what is the line number 22? This is just output system.out.println sorted by name. We just want to give the output of that sorted by name. But see here we have given the output sorted by name. So it is only printing these things. So line number 29 we are getting the reference of this line. So guys, this is the function of sorted. Now let's move to next function. Okay, suppose we need to sort the things by their age. Okay, let's type here sort by age. Okay, yeah, Sumit, actually method difference is a very large topic. So and time is very less here. So if I will teach you, then it will take at least half an hour for method difference. Okay, so it is better that just write the code whatever I am just giving you. Okay, just copy the code and check whether you are getting the output properly or not. Now I am going to do the next step. Sorting, we have learned that how the sorting is done by name. Harling, Mithali, Priya, Smriti, everything is in ascending order. Now we need to sort the things by their age. Okay. So again, what we will do? Again, we will write to the code like this, line number 24. Okay. So just write with me. First, we will call the list. Okay. Wait. First, we'll not call the employee list. So employee list dot. Here we will apply stream. See stream, you will get double click on stream function. Now put dot. Now here we are using a sorted comparator. Just double click on sorted comparator. Okay. Now just type comparator here. A comparator dot. Now find the comparing int here. See, comparing int here is there. Option is there. We need to double click on this part. Comparing int. Just double click on it. We will get the comparing int null. Okay. Now what do you need to find the things here? We need to find the employees age. So what function we will apply here? Employees get age. After this also we will get the function dot. Now at the end we are going to collect the data of a age. So here we will put option dot. See, collect option is there. Collect collector. So double click on this. Now type collectors. Type collectors here. Dot. See the function tool list. Find the function tool list here. See, you will get the function tool list here. Tool list collector. Click on this part. Double click on this. You will get a tool list function here. Now we need to close the line by using a semicolon. Yeah. So this is the total code for calling the age, sorting the age by using a stream API function. So here we are using a stream API function, and by using a sorted comparator function, we are just comparing the integer of age. Okay, and we are just calling the get age function to collect all the data of age, and at last we just collect the data by using a toolist function. Guys, everyone have done this part? Just tell me, so I will wait or move to further round. Okay, good, very good. Very good. Yeah. Guys, just copy this part so I can move further. Now again, we have to sort the things by their age. First, we need to. Yeah, last thing is left here. First, make an object of employees. So list close it by angular bracket. Employees. Now we give the function here sort by age. Sort by age equal to employees sort by age. Right, this is the line you need to copy. List employees sort by age. Before this line, you need to insert this part. Now copy this sort by age in next line. And here we need to give the output of the details of the employees by their age. So here we are use the sorting function by using a age. So sort by age dot see for each function is there. See, for each function is coming here, for each consumer part. Just double click on this, you will get the for each. Okay, now here you will give the output e, give the lambda expression, now give the output. You can give a shortcut as well, or just write the full sentence of output. Just print e here. See why it is giving error? We need to remove this from here, this double semicolon here. Yeah. Okay. So this we have done for what? Sort the employee by their age. Everyone have done till here? Just type yes in chat box. Okay. This thing into injection. Okay, method calling. Okay. Okay, till now you have done. Yes, Jacqueline, I will tell you employee that get age later. Okay, don't worry about this. First, let me complete this. I will tell you everything. Okay. Not till here, everyone have done. So just try to run this code. Just click on this run part. Click here. Just check what it is giving. Now we will check the output here. Sorted by age is done 23, 24. Yes, it is done, but output we didn't give the output here. Wait. Before sort, just do one more thing. We forgot to give the output. Just give the output for better understanding that sorted, we are doing sorted by age. So just copy this, put double semicolon, sorry. Yeah, sorted by age. Just type this, sorted by age. Now we will get the proper output. See, sorted by age, we will get the proper output. See what it is giving here, sorted by age. Now you can see that employees name Priya, age 23. So just focus on age 23, 24, 24, 24, 25, 30. So you can see what it is giving. It is just sorting the age by ascending order. Okay, everyone got this output? Just type yes in chat box, guys. Yes, very good. Yeah, good. Okay, good, guys. So this we have done sorted by age. First, we print the output of the list, whatever we have mentioned, the details of particular employees, and then we have done the sorted by name by getting the sorted list of name. Now we have done the sorted by age, getting the sorted function of all the ages from the increasing order. Yeah. Now we will do next things. Now the last thing we will do. This is not the last thing at least. Okay. Now the third thing we are going to do we need to sort the information. So next thing, what is it? Is that age we have done, name we have done, and the next one is salary is left. So just try sort the salary. sort by salary. So guys, let's check how the sorting of salary is done here. Yeah, Mehul, I am audible. Hello. Yeah, Mehul, let me know I'm audible or not. Okay, okay. Okay, guys. So let's do fast because that's very less time is left. So here we are going to sort the things by their salary. Okay. So just type the same thing. Employee list, EMP list. Okay. Dot. Now apply stream here. So double click on stream. We are going the same. We are going to do the same thing which we have done earlier. Stream. Now dot. Now apply sorted method. Sorted comparator. Just double click on sorted comparator. And then we use comparator dot comparing double. So guys, why we are doing double here? Because see, our salary is in double, our age is in int. That's why we have done comparator int. Our salary is in double, so we are doing salary double. So dot comparing double. Just click on comparing double. Okay, this function you will get comparing double. Now here we are giving the method reference of what? Get salary. Salary should be in capital. Get salary. Now after this dot, at the end we need to collect the data. So what we type here? Collect. Just double click on collect collector. Now type collector. Collector dot. Now again we have to do to list. It will give the list of the output of employees. And just put semicolon here. Okay. Now we need to mention the object of employee list. So just type list. Give angle bracket. For what we are finding employees. And here we will type the function sort by salary is equal to guys, copy this thing for better visibility. Yeah, very good. All have done. You guys are very fast. Okay. So object of this system we have created here. Now we give the output. So what output we need to give here? sort by salary. Copy this salary, paste here, dot. Now we will apply for each function as usual. For each function is applied. Now we need to give the parenthesis, lambda expression of employees. So E. This lambda expression we are giving because this expression will go to each data one by one. Salary, name, age, all these things, it will go one by one. And then give the output. Now give the output function here. And give the output E. Now see again it is giving error. Remove this semicolon. Yeah, now it is sorted. Now it is giving the output, but the printing of sort by salary is not will be there. So we need to give the print output. We need to show that sort by salary should be there. So 1, 2, 3 we have type here, third function we are doing here. Now we need to give the output here. We just get the output. Give the parenthesis. No need to give the parenthesis here. Just write the sort by salary. So everything will be sorted by salary. By salary. Okay. So guys, everyone has have copied this thing till now. Just type yes in chat box. Okay, very good. Okay. See, now we are going to run this code here. Okay. Now we will just click on this run part. And let's see what output it will give. See, sorted by salary. Sort by salary. Now check the salary part. 40,000, 50,000, 50,000, 60,000, 70,000, 90,000. So as we have seen that the salary is just come in increasing manner. 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay. So when we have applied the function sorted by salary, so it is sorted the salary. Same thing is done here. Now the most important thing which is asking interview, most important question, guys. Now I'm going to give you. Suppose in interview, if they will ask that how to apply filter. How we can apply filter here. Now we need to work from this. So guys, everyone need to know about this concept because it is very important. This is the mostly asked question in the interview. So basically everything we have done, how stream work, why stream work. Okay. Now if we want to know about the salary, that filtration part, how it will filter the particular data. If we want to filter the data, then how it works, stream works. Now we are going to do this part. I just give me a minute. Yeah, Mehul, are you there? Hello, Mehul.
Yeah, Kashyap.
Yeah, Mehul. So how much time is left? Actually, 7:30 is already there. So how much
Yeah,
time
we have
more
enough
we
time,
can have?
Kashyap.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, half an hour is still there with us. You can take it, no issues.
Okay, okay. I will take it.
So Kashyap, so how much is pending now? Like one project is done, right?
No, some part is left. So I'm just going to explain
Some
that part. Yeah.
sure, okay, okay.
Okay. Okay, guys. So what we have learned earlier, that methods to perform the operation on a stream. So basically, we use intermediate methods to return new stream as output. See, one option is the filter. So all options we can use for intermediate method, but filter is the method we are going to use right now. Okay, because we don't have enough time to use all these methods. So we are just using the filter method. Okay. So according to this, methods come under the intermediate operations. Okay. So it will filter the data and will return the new stream as the output. For basic information, you need to learn this. So basically, if we go through the coding part, so everyone just write the definition also, because it is very important. Filter comes under intermediate operation. It will filter the data and return new stream as output. So guys, just copy this definition. It is very important part of that filter option, because filter method is mostly asked in the interview part. Yeah, now I'm audible. Hello.
Yes, you are
Yeah,
audible,
yeah.
Kashyap.
Okay, okay, yeah. So guys, nothing. I have just given the definition of filter. What filter does. Okay. Now, how to apply the filter on particular data. Okay. Now we are going to do this part. First, we write the output. First, filter, then sort. Yes, Salim, wait, I will tell you everything. Just have a collection of questions. Filter first and then sort. Okay. Now, guys, again, we have to do the same thing here. EMP list dot. Now, search stream here. The stream option is there. Double click on this part. Stream. Now, dot. Click filter option. See, filter option is there. Here we are applying a filter option. Predicate filter. Just click on predicate filter. Employ. Give lambda expression. Now we need to filter the employees by their salary. E dot salary. See, already salary is, it will be in double. Double click on this, salary will be there. Okay. And salary should be greater than, let's give a condition, 550,000. Okay. So what we are doing basically here, we are giving the employee salary greater than 50,000. Here we are applying condition. Now we need to sort here. Just type S, you will get the sort comparator. Type comparator. Now the comparing double is there because salary should be in double. Okay, double variable. So just double click on double. Now again we need to give the method reference of get salary. EMPLOYEES. Get salary. Now again we will apply dot. Here we need to give the output. Yes.
Hey Kashyap, sorry to interrupt. How many more minutes to go? Like 10 minutes, 5 minutes?
Just I think only 5 minutes is there.
5 minutes, right? Okay, guys,
Yeah.
I understand. But it is just 5 to 10 more minutes, and then I think the class will be over, and this way you will be able to finish one project as well. Okay, so please, hold on for 10 more minutes. Yeah, please take it over, Kashyap. Thanks.
Yeah, sure. Okay, so again we will apply here output for each dot. See, for each option should be there. Find for each, or I will just type F for each consumer. Double click on this part, you will get a for each function. Here you will write the output. So here you will just write up output by using a method reference. Whereas system dot out So guys, here we have given the output, and what is this? This is basically we are giving a method reference of which line? Method reference of 52 line. See, here we have given the output, first filter, then sort. So this is basically this is the way to give the output of method reference. So I'm just writing here, giving method reference of line number 52. Yeah. Okay. Now our code is complete. Now just try to run this. Guys, everyone have done this part. Just type yes in chat box if everyone has done. Okay, Bhagyashi, very good. Okay, if you have not done, just copy this code. I'm just wait for 1 more minute. Now guys, run this code. Okay, try to run this code. Let's see what it is giving. What is already have done. And if we see the code, see, first filter, then sort. Okay, so what we have given, name Tanya Bhatia. Let's check what we have given here first. Apply filter. Okay, first we need the salary greater than 50,000. So what we are going to do filter? we need the salary greater than 50,000. Okay, and yeah, only these things we are getting, and just give the output. So see in console, we got a salary 60,000, 70,000, and 90,000. Okay, so this way we just filter the data by using a filter method. This way we can filter by applying using a particular function. So guys, if you know this question, so you can easily give the answer of this question in the interview part. Okay, and when you're able to give this answer, then interviewer will be very impressed by your answer. So definitely there will be an increasing of chances of selection in the interview part. Okay, so guys, this is basically our mini project which we have completed till now. And guys, you have not copied till now. Just give me the reference at which line you want to copy, so I can just show that line. And whatever question and answer you want to ask from me in technical part, then just ask for me. Okay, last line. This is the last line, guys. Okay, you want this code. Okay. So Vic, please see the last line. I've just copied. Sort by name. Just wait. Yeah, Mehul, I'm audible. Hello.
Yes, Kashyap, you're audible.
Mehul, I want one permission that can I share the code to the students?
No. No sharing of codes, please.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Yeah.
So sorry guys, there is no permission for sharing the codes. That's why I've show you every course one by one, everything one by one. Okay, just tell me which line you want to see, so I will show you that line. Okay, now the project is completed. Mehul, project is completed till now. Just
Awesome.
go to the Q&A round. Whatever question they want.
Great. So thanks a lot, Kashyap, for delivering the wonderful, insightful session today.